Hello to everyone. So today we will be covering the part 2 of AIMS Bilaspur tutor memory based solution. In previous part 1 we have covered 62 questions out of 85. Now to 70 question I recalled, so I have made another video for this. So let's start. A community health nurse identify a 25-year-old widow who is literate, can read and write, and available for about 2 hours daily for community health activities. This information is mainly used for selecting. So, they are asking the criteria for selection. So, a woman who is 25-year-old and widow, also the resident of the same area, who is literate and available for 2 hours daily for community activities. The options are: first is Asha, second is village health guide, third is staff nurse, fourth is medical officer. This is the criteria for selecting the village health guide. The parietal cells of stomach secrete first pepsinogen and mucus, second HCl and intrinsic factor, third is gastrin and pepsinogen, fourth is mucus and bicarbonate. So the parietal cell secretes HCl and intrinsic factor. A nurse is preparing to administer a medication that the patient claim is different from the one they usually take at home. What is the nurse's most responsible action in this scenario? So the patient is verbalizing that the tablets are different he used to take at home. So options are: assure the patient that the doctor ordered this medication and proceed with administration. Second, document that the patient refused the medication and notify the provider. C, withhold the medication and verify the order against the patient medication administration record and the provider's prescription. Ask a nursing colleague to check the medication against the order to save time. So, in this case, first we have to withhold the medication and verify the order against the patient medication administrative record and provider's prescription. A branch of pharmacology that studies how drugs produce their effect on the body, its therapeutic effects and adverse effect of the drug. So what it is called? First is pharmacokinetics, second is pharmacodynamics, toxicology, or pharmacotherapeutics. So in this question, they are asking how drug produce its effect on the body. So what drug do to the body? It is known as pharmacodynamics. Pharmacokinetics, how the body respond toward the drug, like its absorption, excretion, all these things. A nurse is collecting a 24-hour urine specimen for a patient for laboratory analysis. Which action by the nurse is most appropriate at the start of the collection period? So this is very popular question and direct question. First, collect and save the first urine voided at the start time. Discard the first urine voided at the start time and note the time. Add preservative after collecting the first specimen. Send each urine sample separately to the lab. So in this question, when we are collecting the 24-hour urine specimen, first discard the first urine sample and then start time and note the time. A nurse is introduced. A nurse is instructed to collect a sterile urine specimen from a patient with an indwelling catheter. For culture and sensitivity, which action should the nurse perform? So it is saying how to collect the sample when the patient is having the urinary catheter. So options are: collect urine from the drainage bag using the sterile syringe. Second, disconnect the catheter from the drainage tubing and collect the urine. Aspirate urine from the catheter sampling port using aseptic technique. Collect urine from drainage bag after emptying it. So in this, we have to maintain the aseptic technique and we have to aspirate the urine from the catheter sampling port after cleaning it. A newborn is brought to the pediatric clinic. On examination, the nurse observed that the baby's foot is turned inward, the toe pointed downward, and the heel is elevated. The physician diagnoses the Talipes innovatus clubfoot. What is the most appropriate initial management for this case? First is encourage walking as early as possible. Apply serial casting. C. Keep the foot immobilized without treatment. D. Perform immediate corrective surgery in all cases. So in this case, patient is having the case of Talipes equinovarus. So in this, apply the serial casting. That is known as Ponseti method. So this was the one question from the drug calculation. A patient is prescribed 2000 ml IV fluid to be infused over 12 hours. The IV set has a drop factor of 10, and what should be the flow rate in the drops per minute? In this case, we have to calculate. First of all, we have to write total volume, that is 2000, then write total time in minutes. So we have to calculate. So in this question, the answer was 28 drops per minute. So by this question, by part 1 and part 2, we have completed the 70 question out of 85. And the person who has given this exam, they may be correlating that questions were exactly the same. So kindly like and subscribe my channel for further information, for new updates and new videos. Thank you so much.